Hey yo, good evening, viewers of the tube. My name is Tyler and let me introduce you to the channel that doesn't beg for your subscription or video comment with cheap giveaways. We don't offer paid groups and we don't have a Patreon because we believe the crypto companies with the big funds should be paying, not the people. What we do is bring the killer content almost every day. Well, let's get Michael Myers up in this ish because it's time for Chico Crypto. Yesterday, I talked about the next bull run and gave some exact dates of when we would reach the 20K level again, what the next bull run peak price would be, and I gave you some dates of when that would happen. If you would like to check out that video, it's in the description. Today, I would like to move over to altcoins and what some of my favorite coins and one I hate will look like next bull run, specifically when Bitcoin gets back to 20K and once we hit the next bull run peak. To do this, we are going to pick some specific dates when Bitcoin was around 8K, on the way up during the previous bull run and on the way down through the bear market. We will see how altcoin prices are comparing now to previous history. First date is on the way up, and we will choose the November 20th, 2017 date. Next date we will choose is on the way down, February 8th, 2018. And our last date will be on July 27th, 2018, when the 8K level was last reached before the major plunge in November. So let's get into it and start with the number one altcoin, the granddaddy smart contract platform, Ethereum. Ethereum hit a peak price of nearly $1,500 last bull run and crashed like most of the market. It lost 95% of its value, reaching a low of just above $83. It has since rebounded to where the price was as of yesterday, just above $262. But even with this gain, Ethereum has still lost 82% of its value from its all-time high. So what price was Ethereum on November 20th, 2017? $364. How about on February 8th, 2018? $837. July 27th, 2018? $469. It's obvious Ethereum has lost a good chunk of its value when compared with Bitcoin, and the current price is still over $100 below the lowest value we just compared with. Much of the price run up with Ethereum last bull run was due to the ICO fever. People needed Ethereum to participate in ICOs. ICO fever has now turned into IEO fever, where exchanges use their native token. That is just a fact. That is why I'm making this prediction. Ethereum will hit $900 when Bitcoin hits 20K again. Although, if Bitcoin does go parabolic and reaches over 100K at the next peak, Ethereum will keep up pace and keep the number 2 position. Ethereum will reach over $4,000 per coin. The next two coins I would like to examine are two of my favorite contributors to Ethereum's ultimate DeFi ecosystem. First, let's start out with the decentralized stablecoin solution, Maker. Maker hit a peak price of nearly $1,800, but had the bear market take it down to its all-time low of about $310, losing about 83% of its value. Although Maker is looking a lot prettier than most other coins, with the current price just above $723. Maker as of today has lost 60% of its value since its all-time high. So what price was Maker on November 20th, 2017? $272. What about on February 8th, 2018? $977. July 27th, 2018? $649. So Maker's current price is still above two of the values we just compared with, when Bitcoin was around 8K. This leads me to believe that Maker will pass its all-time high when Bitcoin reaches 20K again. That is why I'm predicting a $2,000 Maker when Bitcoin reaches that level. Down the road, Maker is launching multi-collateral DAI and the DAI savings rate. This will allow Maker's stablecoin footprint to become much bigger if a tether failure is to happen. These facts could help Maker feverishly into the bull run. That is why I predict a peak price of $13,000 per Maker token if Bitcoin is to hit 100K. The second is contributing a decentralized Oracle solution, and the mainnet is finally going live at the end of this month. That coin is Chainlink. Chainlink hit an all-time high of $1.45, but the bear market took it down to a low of just above 16 cents. Chainlink lost 89% of its value, but since it has been making steady moves upwards, especially as of late. The price is currently around 81 cents, meaning Chainlink in total has lost 42.4% of its value from its all-time high to today, less than both Maker and Ethereum. So what was the price in 2017 on November 20th? 16 cents. How about on February 8th, 2018? About 41 cents. July 27th, 2018, 17 cents. Now that is interesting because when Bitcoin was around 8K in the past, Chainlink's price today is higher than back then, nearly 100% higher than the highest previous price. This leads me to believe that Chainlink will reach its old all-time high of $1.45 way before Bitcoin reaches 20K again. And I predict when Bitcoin hits 20K, Chainlink will be $3 per coin. But what happens if Bitcoin reaches a peak of 100K? There are many factors to this. How many big enterprises and projects begin using Chainlink and the decentralized oracles? Although the news is looking good on that front. The founder of DocuSign, Tom Gosner, is bullish on Link, joining the project as advisor and recently speaking at an event. Also, Microsoft is involved as Chainlink is helping build the Microsoft Bletchy Cryptlets, an Oracle solution for the Microsoft Azure Toolkit, as seen from this video here.
We're also working with Microsoft on their Bletchley offering, specifically in this piece of their Bletchley offering, something called Cryptlets, where it's kind of supposed to offer this feature. And so these are the two paths that we're pursuing to hopefully offer this added level of attestation to what's going on in the Oracle, along with all these other Oracle features that I've just described.
Chainlink is expanding its services into other enterprise-level crypto projects like Hedera Hashgraph. That is why I predict between $15 to $20 per Chainlink if Bitcoin hits 100K. Now, I said I was going to do a prediction of a coin I do not like, and why not do it for one of the best performing altcoins as of late? The coin comes from the exchange who should not be named and is called BNB. BNB hit nearly $25 in the last bull run, but the bear market took it down just like the others, reaching a low of $4.19. That means BNB lost 84% of its value at its low, but the coin has come back with a vengeance and has actually been the first major coin to surpass its old all-time high. It's currently sitting about 94 cents above. So we can go back in the past and check out the dates when Bitcoin was around 8K like the other coins. But it doesn't really matter because BNB is already past its old all-time high and is acting completely opposite to every other coin out there. So what are my predictions? Well, there are some factors that I am being completely honest about and not trying to FUD because of my hate for the exchange and the owner. It's obvious they partake in shady dealings on their exchange. They run bots, they pump and dump, and they are conducting, for the most part, shitcoin IEOs. If regulators feel they are getting too much power and are manipulating the space, they will come in and shut down the exchange. Since this is an exchange coin, there is a possibility for it to go to zero. It's not a decentralized currency, and it relies on a centralized exchange. Remember that. But for the sake of our prediction, we'll act like they are able to snake through all regulations and keep their shady operations continuing. Based on the current price of $25.94, I would predict when Bitcoin hits 20K again, BNB will be $60 per coin. If Bitcoin is to hit 100K during the next peak, I could easily see BNB at $300 per coin. Well, viewers, this is a few of my predictions for altcoins when Bitcoin reaches 20K again, and if Bitcoin goes parabolic and reaches 100K. I would have liked to do a few more, but I am running out of time. You guys know I like to keep these videos short and sweet. If you like these predictions, let me know in the comments the coins you would like me to look at next, and I will take note. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, XRP will be $589. Cheers, viewers. I'll see you next time.